also, there can only be one Pitadipati to a mutt. There can't be two successors to a mutt. That is
Two
the
successors yaru?
Now that is what is being claimed by the defendant.
Who is the
one.
first successor?
I am the first successor.
Look at this order. Well, the dispute is between two Swamijis. There is a mutt known as Kudli Sringeri Samsthana. Now, in respect of this mutt, the Utharidakari was selected by the senior Swamiji by a regular conducting of all rituals. Now, thereafter, some differences cropped up between the both of them. Now, the senior Swamiji goes and files a writ petition that he should not call himself as the Pitadipati of this mutt.
Which is that?
Kindly. The writ petition, the order, my lord, kindly see the order at page 249. Huh?
OS adu?
Ade OS,
Writ petition andri?
Alla writ petition bekilla, that is in relation to an appointment of an administrator.
Alla ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು writ petition order ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Alla, the suit
I
order.
filed a suit,
ಆಯ್ತು senior is submitting it.
which is why
They filed a suit where, my lord, the direction is, kindly see page 43, the plaint reliefs.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Suit alli, without going into any of the, without giving any reasons, kindly see, my lord, the order passed by the court at page 256. After referring to all these IAS, there are about 4 IAS which he has filed. Now he says perused IA number 1 to 5 and order is granted. Now the order is
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ page 259.
259 alaitu. Then at 258 is the order.
Issue suit summons emergent notice ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
Alla, other previous page 257.
Oh, defendant number 1
one
to
of
4.
the arrangements or any one of the other previous page 256 cell reasoning. Peruse the IA number 1.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Yes.
The Pitadipati of this Kudli mutt, kindly see, my lord, at page 312. The photograph where the senior left side is the senior Swamiji, right side is the junior Swamiji. He himself anoints. Then in page 313 is the invitation where he himself,
Who is he?
he is the senior Swamiji.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I have not given him Utharidakari. I've given him a sannyasi, which is completely different. I've made those amendments even in my pleadings. Just because he's given a sannyasi, he can't be claiming himself to be a Pitadipati. There's a judgment also to that effect passed by the Supreme
One
Court.
minute, sir.
Kindly see, my lord, he appoints him as his own Utharidakari to
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
this
Very
Pitha. Now,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಏನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
page 313.
3-1?
304, my lord.
304.
Yeah.
ಏನಿದು?
This is the proceedings of the meeting of the devotees where they decide to appoint him as the Utharidakari.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Where do I get that?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಶಬ್ದ ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಅಂತ.
307.
at page 307, my lord. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲಿ, my lord,
ಪೀಠಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ನಿರ್ಣಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 305 ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
This is not
ಮಹಾಸಭಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಸೋನ್ಸ್
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ I was also present in this proceeding. At page 307, my lord, he is appointed as the Utharidakari. Then at page,
ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅರೋಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ?
ಅವರವರು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ. At page 309.
But this is not in compliance with 39(3). This can't be.
I have two submissions, man. I had placed a judgment also. There can only be one Pitadipati to a mutt. There can't be two successors to a mutt. That is
Two
the
successors ಯಾರು?
Now that is what is being claimed by the defendant.
Who is the
one.
first successor?
I am the first successor. There is orders to my effect where my learned senior himself has appeared for the plaintiff.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Now, my lords,
You have anointed him, sir.
I have not anointed him. That is my pleadings even in the plaint.
Page 30.
I have only given him sannyasi. Giving sannyasi, I can give to hundreds of people. But an uttaradhikari, I can only give it to one.
But proceedings ಯಾಕೆ ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿ proceedings ಅದು?
I have not executed that proceedings at all.
Then that's pursuant to the proceedings you have given that.
No, I have not executed. Kindly see my plaint.
Anyway, let
amendments.
the court consider everything in accordance with law.
My lord, kindly see.
It is not in compliance with 39(3) at all.
My lord,
If
kindly
you
see.
want that order, I will pass or I will stay this
My lord,
for
this-
it, for its
I have no
non-compliance.
problem to go before the trial court and urge my.
No,
case.
that's not. I have 2 days back written an order.
Dharmasthala.
Detail order I've written how 39(3) should be. Because this is mandatory injunction granted at an interim stage. After anointing, you have said he should not be functioning as uttaradhikari.
My lord, if my lords could take the plaint minutes.
No problem.
At page number
We'll direct the
29.
court to reconsider the application after hearing the parties.
Please,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ 39(4) ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಇದು ಅದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
please.
But this order will go.
My lord, just because I have made out a, even though I have made out a prima facie case, and if there is no averment to that effect by the order, that does not set aside the
No, sir,
validity of the
not
order.
just because, only because.
My lord,
How,
now,
sir,
if I
one
had
minute,
put
1 minute.
my case-
How are you claiming your right now?
My lord, I have.
1 minute. How are you now claiming your right?
I have a succession deed in. my
Correct,
favor.
that's a different thing. You are now continuing to do what you earlier did pursuant to the injunction, correct?
No. I have been this Matadipati of the Mat right from
ಅದೇ
19.
he should not be, he should not
He
continue
should not
ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿ
claim.
ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ವಾ?
Exactly, Manoj. Now, the only problem is, now if there is any order of stay against the order, he will again claim himself to be a
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Matadipati. There can't be two
we will
Matadipatis.
direct the application to be considered in accordance with law
Please, Manoj.
within 3 weeks.
Let there be status quo as of today as being maintained by the parties.
Let
Because
him
he's not let him not interfere
all
with
His order
with
go,
our
my lord.
affairs.
The order will go,
His order go, let status quo order be.
Yes,
there. Have to-
we will pass that order.
Please, Manoj.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. Heard the learned senior counsel Ashok Harnadli appearing for the petitioner and Keshav M. Datta representing the respondent. The respondent is the plaintiff. The defendant, the present petitioner, the defendant. The tussle is between two persons as to who is the uttaradhikari. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that the present petitioner is anointed as uttaradhikari by the plaintiff himself, and notwithstanding